Hello guys, welcome to Riziki's Kitchen. Today, guess what? I want to show you how I make my tomato sauce. Stay with me and watch. Okay, so these are my tomatoes, fresh ones. I'm just washing them. Okay, this is the real water, so I'm gonna put it there. Okay guys, let us continue. This is what I do. I will show you how we cut this one out. Then I will do this. Okay, this is what I do. And now we put here we go. So right now I'm going to put these tomatoes inside the oven. Stay with me, keep watching. Okay, now you can see here they are ready. And you see all water inside. That is all tomatoes, because remember I didn't add any water, so we will still need it. So now I'm gonna wait until it cool down, then I will show you how I will be starting taking the skin off. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so my first tray is ready. Here we go. And now what I'm gonna start doing is to take the skin out. Here. So it's very easy to take out. This is the way I always do. So I just want to share with you so you can see, maybe it may make a difference on your side too. The skin is off, and as I said, the water here is from tomatoes. I didn't add any water, so I will need it. Okay, so I'm gonna put my peeled tomatoes here inside my pot, because I'm gonna use a hand blender. Okay, so this is the next one. Here we go. This is the second one. Now I have my hand blender, so I'm gonna blend my tomatoes now. As I put inside this pot, I think it will work. Okay, here we go.